Hey, yo, good morning. So, this quick video, I'm going to talk about trading imbalance. And again, using the TradeStation platform. I've been using this platform for 20 years, and their mobile app just works very well for me. So, I'm sharing how I look at charts, how I navigate it. Anyway, imbalance. I don't even look for a trade unless I see imbalance. And this is what imbalance looks like to me. So watch this, check it out. So right here, I'm gonna draw a support line right here, right? It's already kind of breaking this line. Let's just say that we'll call that the 40. I'm gonna zone in on the 2 minute chart. See how the market had just kind of fallen over into it? It's already passed through it, broke through. What I'm looking for is that the market will probably close back above the 40 at some point. I don't know if it's going to do it now or in the next 30 minutes. I got work to do, so I'm not even going to worry about it. I'm just going to set an alert at the 40. Check it out. Go here. I'm going to build a new one. Go hit my alert. New. Just like this, right? Bam. Set it. Now that's done. So I know you see this. You say, oh man, it's falling. It's falling. Oh my God, it's going to go down to who knows how far. I don't care. That's what I like to see, because eventually it's either going to pull back to the 40 and show me something. Again, why is the 40 important? Well, let's try to scroll back. Look at what happened last time. Bounced off it, turned around. So that level is important. So eventually when it gets back up there to the 40, I'm going to look and see what it does when it gets there. What is the behavior of the candles when it gets back up there? That's all I'm looking for. Now, it may fall even further. It may go down to the 20. I don't know. Don't care. What I'm looking for is at what place, what area is it going to react and bounce? And once it bounces, what's it going to do? I'm hoping it'll give me a big old huge green candle. If I get a big huge green candle, hit the 30, and all of a sudden a big green candle, let's say, closes back above the 40, to me that says there's a ton of buy imbalance there, right? Because the markets fell over. All the sellers said, all right, you know what? Everyone who wanted to sell has sold. So now we're left with people that says, all right, well, I think this is a good time to buy. So then the buyers overflow the market, and then you get a big, huge green candle. So that's what I'm looking for. I like when the market's out of balance. In order to see out of balance or imbalance, you got to see what's balance. See that? All that? You can see, hold on, let me just draw it up here so I make it clear. This and this, all that in between there, that's balance. What does it look like on the higher chart? See how the candles are up and down, up and down. They're not really going up or down. It's kind of hard to show it. Let me try to zoom in a little bit more. See there? It's not really making any progress. It's stuck in between that area, which is the 90 and the 70. I'm going to, just for easy numbers, let me see if I can move it down. Like the 70 to the 90, it was in balance at that time, right? Let's go back. Let's go. Here we go. See? It's going sideways. It's not moving up or down. I mean, it is, but not enough to where I'm, nothing to be excited about. But now look at how much it fell. Once it made its move, what time was that? From 6:30, it has dropped. What is that? How many points is that? Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 points within what? An hour or so? That's imbalance. Why even trade if it's not doing that? I want to trade when the market is moving. Okay? So just explaining that, I'm not going to place a trade right now because I haven't seen what I want to see. It looks like the 30 is going to hold. Look at that. It looks like it's moving up right now. And unless I get a nice strong engulfing candle, or at least a nice strong solid bar candle that closes back above the 40 and holds, and then I see the market kind of mess around above the 40, then I'll think about placing a long trade going back up. All right. So that's a quick video on how I see imbalance. I'm sure you may learn some other things from other places, but that's how I see it. Okay. I'm looking at the 40, taking the 40 back up to maybe the 70 area, something like that, if I get it. Or I may even go short. If it can't get back above the 40 and it starts messing around and it stays here, then I'll think about, all right, what's the next level down? Next level down is way down there at the at the 50, at the 75-ish. I mean, we could go lower than that, but technically down here. But I would say, I would even say this. See how it may hit those prices right there? I don't know if you can see that. I would even say down to the 10. The 75-10 is a good area also to look at, simply because it reacted there a couple of times before, as you can see. So anyway, if it can't get above the 40 and hold, I'm going to be looking for that trade, as you can see. Look at that. Where's the 10 at? Yeah, I'm not going to even worry about it. Let's see what happens. All right, y'all take care.